Anonsia abo Sompa 93.1 sunye. Yamamu nyina chi. Wako sunyane ya Sompa 98.9. Ansama wodo abo no na no pay. Sa no panonsia kase bone bredu sosia de basumui. Ansama do ade ba ne de makoteno pi enie. Another day ya sure ne mo sa Ghana man panyi be komra shebedwa fie. Wo ma Ghana ya bo braba bi akwa akoduru no wo de ebe kwa akotuja.
Yemra swegafo no binom so chese enura ede so nkoda nu mu ashoto wo man mu no wo mote ase enye ntebe ya mpanimfo mepe bibi nka nkere wu no mu.
Osofo ya wo sure ma Ghana pomden ho sanso no ada kopie mu mra shebedwa fie vasena enho akwatwe no wokọ ekoyi ano.
Abusua no ede to manim Saudi wani cha ashama na bonte so wankrapomprema ntemu asogafo bi atesi ho no mahomache no ebrima de hye ne brimturo anya asem ketoa yate se ne yesi ye no mrasogafo na bamu a omo mote asim no mahwe akiri.
Sam no akwaso ananam so ma panyepa bia ban bombo mu a wabre mu so aka sekere se nyame no kwasem ni asrafo no on manyade.
Abusafo weni afofro pini akekese ne se kase abia wo bia na no pa ye ba ne de aba besomo ye de ne nsesa na ya abo amali bia boga no pa mene
akosia ajewa kwade boti.
Abusafo en shaka se na semfam free man peni na nado dan kwaku fado wachima pc be ma boada na tena ye na no pay eni da kwan se man peni na nado dan kwaku fado be komra se be fiem na tebi o man ni wom wode akwakoto o mamu ne nyina nim se ne munim de da no my god ya mamra constitution eni ya mamra ni nchia man ne chiremu okenka akoduru atekre 67 hono mu a o chemu pefe sa fe bia o so man peni ko mra se be fiem no man ne ba bia ye ko ba bia ya ba bedro eni ba bia ye pese ye de ani chire nyina no okobo so de to mamu ne nyina nim e mra se be fiem no mo na gara ma de hye hu ba bi property ya ye de ani e chire na sa dwumadie we ne nko se man peni na nado dan kwaku fado waye ne de dada kra ne mom nnwuma bia na wo ne nim te se aban ane IMF nkomodie no a na enyansi pinsita omunya mo power ho no ma dwumadie ne kotwentwe ne nase na biam susu 6 match ya na ebe ya wosempanimfo eye ntotoye ma ho die ne ade tumi koye no na ho akwakohia se mampani wo mutwumadie dwumadie no ekọ akiri ma enne ena also komra spigefim na ode ehonsem ekoto eye Ghana ma de hye nyina anim na abusia yankaka eho kakra afrese mampani na nado dan kwaku fado komra spigefim ensem obobo so kire Ghana ma de hye ene baabi a o kire se o man no ye de ani kire eye last year no ene baabi ya ba bedro yenko na yankaka eho kakra na afie twemu mampani na ensem ode tu yanim ewo mra spigefim honomo.
So Speaker, the NPP government came into office with a plan to build a resilient economy and set us on the path to prosperity. We were on course, and our performance between 2017 and the beginning of 2020 demonstrates we were making rapid progress. Indeed, in 2017, 2018, and 2019, we recorded average annual GDP growth rates of 7%, making us one of the fastest growing economies in the world. We grew the economy from the CD equivalent of 54 billion United States dollars at the end of 2016 to the CD equivalent of 72 billion United States dollars in 2020, a 33% increase. Then COVID arrived. This is not something that anyone could have planned for, and the consequences are there for us all to see around the world. The big and established economies of the world have been knocked off their planned trajectory. Countries where budget deficits were unknown and prohibited by law suddenly had to accept huge deficits to underwrite social cohesion. The economic devastation of COVID has since the beginning of this year been further aggravated by the Russian invasion of Ukraine, which has worsened the economic outlook of the entire world. We in Ghana have not escaped this development, and the consequences are being felt in rising living costs at our markets and at fuel stations. Terrible events in Ukraine have a direct impact on our lives here in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, 30% of our wheat, flour, and fertilizer imports come from Russia. 60% of iron ore and other metal sheets are imported from the Ukraine.
Abusia nti we ya frese mampani na nado dan kwaku fado ko mraspeje fiem di o man yete bia ye wom ekoto mraspeje fo nanim na obobo sanse mu so de ekire ye ne a anopa ni da kwan se abroso a nondu mpa mu de na mampani na nado dan kwaku fado adu mraspeje fiem na tebia ye wom afi wode ato Ghana man anim.
ana mampanye kwa kasa wo mra shebe dwafie no akire o ma Ghana nkasa ye bobra ba bia ye duru no ana adom kuma ye wo mra shebe dwafie asase susu bribi sa de aduru no mampanye nka no kore nkire Ghana fo pa wose ye nei bibie ne wono mu a wo betumi aka na de hwehwe ahoso o man no ahokire nim wose ahokire sumpini ne hawo ne amane ye namuo no abro no wi aduru sa mampanye nka no kore na wo kire mo sa no kwa Ghana fo wo kire yen na so be du betumi de aboa na minority MP ya wono ewo kwando abato mpeso so ye message dala so wa wana so mpaka sia adi nkomo na wo kire muo sa mampanyire ka no kura na kata hye ne proye bia akwoso wo National Cathedral ho wotumi si ni pede kira Ghana fo a enka gidie no ebesa babiu.
Talk about package nice, window dressing, make things look like it's good. He will not tell us the real truth. I don't think he's going to talk about the National Cathedral and the issues concerning corruption around that. Those are my expectations, but I doubt if he will talk about it. That's the truth.
In the event that
we'll live to see. I really don't think he'll see anything in that direction. I think he'll just come in the usual slogans, the usual covering up issues, making it look good when in reality it's rot. Make every Ghanaian worried because what is the true state of the economy? That's what we want of the nation. That's what we want to hear.
Anwache numra shaba jani yo anya so tuoma ba tompa so won monya fo adoma ko kisi wono so kasai edibitu aso.
So I think in summary we're hoping that tomorrow State of the Nation would be a president talking to Ghanaians to let them know of our real situation and also the way forward and how we're hoping that revenues would also be improved. And when I say revenues, we're looking at taxes, we're looking at property rates and things of that sort, which can help government improve governance. Everybody knows that government runs on either loans or taxes. Those are the only two things. And when we are struggling in the international market in terms of access to foreign loans.
On Monyanfo Adoma Kisi Ayanya so to Russia Bujani.
Observe for Antos, you go so the more Raspe film Honomoa, Nadom Kuma Wam Raspe film no Mayan Sam Jeffun Montrese, a Ghana Memoir Yetisi, Sin Ra, Yediso Son Codenu Moa Shotwa, Capre Badna Bebina Cobasa Yadibia Quaco Soria, Yaquaco Tom Diaquaco so Son Codana Muno, a Hadripa, Umuhia Brofake Sibia, a Yanchi Mubia se, a Babe Catcher almost a Nubia Baby Drew, yeah, the Quaco Son Codan Coda enum mraspe gani o mraspe gefie desia wo mo se hwi dwabo so abaton pesua so ono abokwabna minta kando na gina edom kuma na namu a wo de sansam yetu dwa okọ abegefie ono mo a eya abegeku a wo mo adwenjiro my Ghana ye apom dire ene ho nsensem no dimu ntintimai pa eno gina ye de sansam yetu dwa se braso sa ban ne beba bonten no wo beka no kra bi ewom e de akire Ghana fo na sika no kra no a ye de kwa akoto se ndo no de abasu so nkwada na no mu no eye kuma bi na ban de soso ya manfo bi na dondom ye ne a e de sika ne ba na sempo ne takunu a aban de besoso no na akwakwa ebo achi bi dia bisi ne edu na ban timi nto bi a ashoto Ghana mamu nyina sa.
I am very grateful for this opportunity and to state that the shortage of vaccines for the 6 childhood killer diseases in this country can be best described as a disaster, smacks of incompetence, and it is highly unacceptable. Let me state that every child in this country, per the 1992 Constitution, has the right to good health care. I believe that the minister responsible for health and the president, the vice president, they all had the opportunity to immunize their children, including their grandchildren. And somebody created that opportunity. In some jurisdictions, it is even a crime to sit aloof to allow the shortage of vaccines in your country.
Obviously, I am Raspe Jenny or Wam Raspe Fima, this almost a hijabo so about on Persia son of Okabna Minta Akando.
Another also for you, one on a show my Ghana, Pum de one some so you're a quajima menu. Mrasheba fortune, Radamano Kujana, Mrasheba Jofiako, which you didn't see our mano, baby. I open per so quaco do no quadavasana. Yadaba war morning, read about social one manum, Ninata, a quachi, and I'm so moko chiremusano qua and creature do. Now what to be cross or quatifido mantemua, and quadabas were her and Antobroya diano, a biache wanum, Ninata. Homechesam ayara hosampa ye ne wom guswada etu hwanamo nemo obeka sudua no wachirem ade achirem rahwedwafo sane ne na monten so sankwada ne bia frimo no anya de bibibiada etesa.
It is important to correct the erroneous impression that there have been deaths from measles in Ghana recently. For the avoidance of doubt, there have been no deaths from the recently recorded spike in measles cases. Indeed, there have been no deaths since 2003 in our country, though we have recorded cases annually. Finally, despite the challenge, Ghana's immunization coverage remains among the best in the world, and in 2021, we recorded 95% coverage. Working with UNICEF, we are fast-tracking the processes, and it is expected that vaccines will be supplied in the next few weeks.
I know you know what's up, Chamosa, Barno Chessica, dear 70 million Ghana cedis, and there one more has a vaccine, I would draw one quatrino, over to me at the Akoto.
And the outbreak of measles in the northern region. The Ministry of Health has been seriously concerned about the shortage of some childhood vaccines and the effect on the vaccination program in the country. This is a major source of worry for the ministry, partners, caregivers, and the population. We are aware of the implications of the shortages, including disease outbreaks and effects on child survival. The expanded program on immunization, EPI, has been a flagship disease control program in the country and arguably one of the best programs, if not the best, in the sub-region, with high coverage levels of over 95%. We have an established system for forecasting, procurement, supply, and distribution of routine vaccines and monitoring their use. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is true that we have had some vaccine shortages in the country since the last quarter of 2022. The vaccines in short supply are BCG, measles, rubella, and oral polio vaccine, OPV. This
I was so way I also for ya was show my Ghana pom de won some so yera kwaku ajima menu bra okopie mu e wo mrahye bedwefi
ya famon frame na bedwefi mu hono mo na busu ya famon consent fufuro mu na enra anopa ebesi be awia prem to brede ade hye won krapopuni mantem mu huna mane pa yesinsuo to etoye e won krapopuni mantem ne se woni nsese ye ka kire wo e ma do ani kire enkrabro no e frene se botiano ene english ne mpotamu a ade hye wo hono mo brepa na rahosem a yete ye ne se enkwada mienu a baako edi 9 years baako so edi 11 years and abusia susan no etabiri wo moko ya bisine ne yetitia ne so ma yenyankopon edia na nkwada yi wo ma me ne dia yensa kan ye sister ama ene adehie bi no mo obotia no ne mpotemu a nsuo totoye ebi kotwifa wo modem epepa wo modan so edwura manfo dan gu ye ne adeade e won krapompene mantemu no ene Sompa FM setwefo di nkomo e mo kire se de sra no mbesra ban so ntwire ni mehwe wo mu na o mani atutu aka o monsem
to kakra bia ye hu ti mechire yenya na gata ni bubu e de ba manfo fie sese enso no tunkofo bebre free hanom nanso no ya kan no obi ama meboa yen hwe na nadwi hwe so dasani ahwere ne ba mienu ye wo memu hanom ye gina ye wiem e gina nsuo mu to aba enti hwani ye buafo Ghana hanom yesre o mampani etu abama no yenim so anamontu ayifu anamonsifo a omobua omomamebua yen na yesu ye Ganafo ye bre o men etu omomua yen
susana no odi ntimi amba o ye bia no person cross e kan se mpa boot man no cross me se ontimi fa zunu enko tamo onya kwan ekoye no satamu ana nso no e fa de ma di odi a kire se nko odi nkwana chi ni susana so o bia nya ye na susana zo de nkofo no nkwana koye nti ne mammienu nkwana miensa ene ne yire ne ono na ono ni hoti ka mame nkwana miensa ne mame no mama no so ye bia so no je se tama opa bi di nkwana agina no na susana no ide do mkoye
Abusia we are hosem we see obotiana obonten so won krepompene mantem wa yate se National Disaster Management Organization admo mpenimfo akọ no mo ye mo esefata omo hwene mo so omo de be ma de hia obotiana no ne mpotem abusia ni de akiri de be fra to bia ne yemfa enkame mo
Ano akrono no da babada jasa na wocho na we no wasra ni abrantie bia wodi ne dwuma awosunya ne monten so wanya mfinsha na duonu mienu enhwemu kirem se wakọ ashaman na no ada na joya okodi ne dwuma amanhwemu krambo ba se okọ na kodonkuya wone adeade mani pabinum ade se kan akọ wono a wati na nanom awonsie do na pani behwe asra dwumakuo no wono nyina da bodom pema dodo no akokogu ashaman ye enso hwewa a wosi ahwonka se petem so wono ahwenkrofo pa ebrim wono sibamtrofo a anya semketoa anam so ma panyipa bia bana bampo mu a wabremu yera abas wasabute dia todwa echese nyame anim ni entwa yie Ghana Anfals adwumakuo no mra mekire mu die ntia wo ma kwan ema won masrafo dom ni bi kwobo dompem wa shaman na wo ma omunim wo hwe ye de won mfraye ebro ni parodo no amanei ebima so ntam nyina da asoasoa wosesa saa no man no ye kekere na dia ene no ma Ghana de ye wo kwan atwa pa
Dear Nituni, sir, or no, or the booby, and now the Kumubi. Never be dear a day, the bonnet, or the booby, so be so best friend and I'll be prano. To be Missa Aquiniano. If a good chance with a cost it's not pointing to fact, say, about putting me good shoes again, because according to the information, it says, we midnight. Anademana NAC nti afeina asemna nkapa no ye kwa e fa so a omudi sanya mransem no ediye no ye ba betudwa na sebio se ye kokum na se ye tu du amanfo so na ye bro mo a eno na ekire se ni a omu ye no wo mo so ano ana se den wo mo asabi inde yakọ no mo a ye hwe omo no eden na ekire se saa ni amon ni e ko nkwampo no omu ka ho bibie ni ekire saa. So what you are doing is if you want to improve military and civilian relationship, no. Yes, I can't wait. So na mo asoja fo ti company be share amount for before ebema amount for edu mu yaw is an say me na me nam ho na mo be chim na mo yes aya ka ya de kiremia me yes ya ni bia ri boni bia
Abana sir ni ato mayemu na fei ya kasi etwa ye ho hwe ye ho we aye ora osabute Abbas abana bambo mu a wabene mu yi pa
na busuya sasem ya na ntete abato so perfect nsem twefa pono so no pe ye kire se wo komra so ge fie mu a na yesi wa shama bonten so asogafo no omoko tugu amrante ayi adehye ne so wo ho no ma bi asiba mu no no yentete ne se parliamentary select committee a omo ehwe bambo ho nsensem so me che parliamentary select committee on defense and interior asemi wo ma bamu a womo eba betenase no mo abo akira hwe akiri afifi madwedwuma ba ba ma wiemu na nipa kra osoma asogafo no mo ko honom eko brima adehye wa ashama na bonten so ade ya yeso mu nua bi wo makum no no na womo ehu asotwe womo ede mema wo ya no na busuan no anese woni nsese ye ka kire yese awmache be no miensa na sojafo yi ede wo mo cars mumuru ntumi uba tv no so no aba behwe woni so ade a cars no na sojafo no de ekono eno mu nua soja ni wei eno wadi 22 years ye so oye adwuma o Ghana Armed Forces band mu o sunyane abonten so a wo kompote mu no mo se no wo kwa akosra ne ge se no wo kwa akosra ne maame ntete na kwa kwa bebrebe ebi so wo ko ne ge ho ebi so chese oni maame tempote mu ho no mo na no so wonte apo no wo kwa akosra no na sa rehosem ne kokoto no na ene honorable James Agaga wo Aspeje o womra aspeje fima desia wo mo busa no for baton pesua so na semi wakwa kukukura ba se wom se entwaye omunua soja ni no adesia ni kum no no entwaye die bateba ne se soja for e de helicopter ne e wo mo armored cars ne ade ekogu kromu ono mo a so ye nipa ne ye pani se nipa ne abrewa nipa ne akwada wo ya branch o yo ba wo mo esiba mo mo sibamtro enrasa e wo e assignment abonten so mra aspeje ni ono so wa assignment honorable ns no gbeso so no na no atomu bia wo chese entwaye kra entintiti nyina ene semra sojafo na duru omani mu a wo so mo ba betenase na sa sojafo na yesoma wonum ekwa asama na bonte so nra ahomache be no miensa omko siba madehye no e wa asama no wo ma fifi madwede mu ahwehwem akwa kosiase na asoche esafata ne wo se komane bia no wo mo ahwese ebekọ edi ama wo ya no
na enromra shebedwa fie na wosanka omukọ asetena no pa no do na so bibi besankan mu amawia no miensan mpa mu so no na wonmukọ tena ase ne nyina da ayen hyehyɛ ya na wonmo hwɛ ni mu sanka on the World Bank won betumi atena se no mayen hyehyɛ sonko bia ababo man Ghana papa fa yesika sam ho na Speaker of Parliament ya no ya chiame hina wo man Ghana mra shebedwa fie yera Alban Suma na Kingsford Babin wonen samtrofo adi nkomo ema wo cheche mu die tie nam so ama enei mra shebedwa fie sane da no da nyino mukọ asetena no anno de ensakraye ebemu
with officials from the World Bank. After that, we had to discuss issues arising from the meeting with leadership of the House and also the Minister of Finance. Following on that meeting, the caucus, the minority caucus had to meet, and then after that, we now have our way clear to start proceedings today.
I was away. I chiame hene yo my Ghana mra shebedwa fie yera Alban Suma na Babin.
Observer fa kase ne nko wie ewo kane oba pani a no show my Ghana NCC atena ye eso wo sa atena ewe na cheche o mamba pa bia na sede a ewo se oyema me Josephine Enkroma na busua mami bemre kakra ni no di sa adwuma no to ho no mo se ECOWAS mpanimfo ma na adwuma foforo a opeso okokoye e de bo wiase nyina wo Liberia bonte so ma henkru eye Morovia mu e ma se no mo kase de NCC adwuma no wo de ato ho no mo wo Liberia bonte so esum wiase nyina na enra ena de kodan Liberia police for say ade bi koso wona setena mu a so wanhweye no anyi wo maso kire no de tretre ho no mo eye se nyahwe se mo wanhweye a nada kuru bi ne ye bekwa koto no nkwa akoya sempa wo se abrante bi ti Facebook so a abrante ni dia wonim eye casting se de ende da bia abrante ne bon ntrene hunehuna na wo mekun wo ade a me de beye wo kroma sei no so amfiri ha nkwa wo na aba beto abontimprumo dia maye chesensem abrante ne keka de kire no ase kwambi so no chese otrete no so wonya na obeku no enam so mama me Josephine Nkrumah akwakoba posifo a wo mo ewo Liberia mane ama se sojafo no nyina ababamu a Ghana ye de sekan ma me Josephine Nkrumah wo ye adwuma Liberia bonte so de aboa ECOWAS mpanimfo no enei wono mo chese asem no a waba beyi wo masukira na so waba bebo mama de no ombehwe se nhwemu bi esefata bia no ombe de afa ho no so ne bambo so se mia no mu bia mu ma no a wo emia mama no ewo eye Liberia abonte so adwuma wo ye ede ama ECOWAS mpanimfo no abuzafo mi emfansia na odonfo ya doma wia prem tobre kasie mu no asemi ye bewdram na sie benya ma me Josephine Nkrumah kra na di nkoma ye nya no na di nkoma wo ye kasie eso ye mfa kasie ne nsie ne wuku ada wo ba no aba be kan asem ewo ade ache bia dwumadie so ma hene ye dubu ache tenase no ma wiase nyina ache ye ne yeso ma no pe na ya bo amalibi aboga no pe mene
akosia ajewa kodie boatin
Sisi media sempanam okonfa no Rural Bank PLC ogusua e mafuneral